It's Monday, October 6th, and here's some fake news. After being rescued by Harry Potter from the zoo, a snake named Medalongus took part in a competition held in London for a chance to become the King of Earth, and he won. 35 feet long, Medalongus was carried to his crown by 15 human followers who dressed up in Halloween costumes. It was a tragedy for the California newlyweds, Adam Waukee and Eva Clumsy, when the bride and her brother, Ian, climbed up a table at the wedding party to sing Let It Go and fell off. Both are being treated in the hospital. Starting 2016, all American newborns must have Chinese names, said US President Barack Obama during his last meeting with Chinese President Xi Jinping. In a press conference, Michelle Obama said that this decision by her husband is a costly solution to the overpopulation problem. Check out Fake News TV YouTube channel for more original fake news around the world.